welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making yam porridge. Is it porridge, pottage, whatever you call it? So before we get right into the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So for this porridge we'll be needing, I used fish, smoked panla, they call it panla, and that's diced onion, blended crayfish, cut Ugwu. I don't know the English of Ugwu, but I'm going to check and put it in the description box. And that's refrigerated pepper. You can use freshly blended pepper anyways. And this is our yam. So the next thing we'll be doing is to pour in our yam into a boiling water. I was already boiling my water before putting the yam. The main reason why I did that was because I wanted it to boil really quick. So that's something you should do if you want a fast cooking. So you put in the yam. After putting in the yam, you can just close it and let it steam for a while. But how I like to do mine is, after putting in the yam, the next thing I'll be putting is the salt, because I want the salt to go into the yam properly. I actually added 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, that our diced onion, then you'll be putting in your pepper. After putting in this pepper, I realized it was too small. I told you I like spicy things, spicy food, so I added 1 tablespoon of grounded pepper, powdered pepper, if you may call it that, and that's 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon of ginger powder, and 1/4 tablespoon of basil leaf. So you cover that up and let it steam for 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes. This is how it looks like already. So I'm adding 2 cooking spoons of red oil. I prefer it that way. You can add more if you want, but I don't really like my porridge too reddish. So you cover that up and let it steam for another 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes already bubbling. So I'll be adding the fish now. Actually pieces the fish. You can just pour it in as whole if you want, but I decided to pieces mine. Then the next thing I'll be adding is 3 teaspoons of the blended crayfish. You can add more if you want, but that was enough for me. Then you cover it, don't stir it. You cover it and let it steam for another 5 minutes. Then this is after 5 minutes. I'm adding the Ugwu now. Don't forget to check the description box for the English name for this Ugwu. I really don't know if there is any English name. So you stir that in for a while. Got to a point where I felt like just leaving it this watery and just having another try of this porridge, but nah, maybe I'll be trying that later on off camera. So you match the yam. You can use spatula, wooden spatula, if that one will be better for you, but I decided to use my spoon and it came out really nice. So you cover that up for a while and voila, woof, this really looks nice. Not just looked nice, smelled nice. Not just smelling nice, also tasted really, really nice. So let me know what you think about this video and my recipe and my method of making porridge. and I hope you try these also, and let me know as well. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. And I thank you so much for viewing each and every single of my videos, liking and sharing. I'm so grateful. And also subscribing. Thank you so much. Oof, look at how bubbling that is. Oh goodness, I wish you actually tasted from this, like for real. So yeah, I believe we've come to the end of this video. So you let it sit for a while before dishing, and this is ooh, you can actually fry a side pepper and put it on it, like just to have more taste, but this is all what I did, guys. Like, please try this, let me know, comment